Good morning, grade 2s. Teacher is quickly going to explain your next 5 activities from activity 5 to activity 9. Okay, activity 5 is number bonds. Complete the buses with the correct number bonds. So the first bus is number bonds 10. So you use 6 and they did the first one for you. 6 and 4 will give you 10. So 5 and what will give you 10? Okay, so complete the numbers at the bottom. If you add them to the numbers at the top, they must give you 10. Okay, the second bus is 15. So the numbers on the top and the numbers that you're going to write in at the bottom must add up to 15. And then your third bus is 20. So the numbers on top and the numbers at the bottom that you're going to write in must add up to 20. Arrange the numbers from great to small. So you've got a long row of numbers. You must write them from the biggest one to the smallest one. Okay, so go look for the biggest number out of all of them. Write it down and then you cross it out. Okay, then you won't get confused. And then the next row is arrange the numbers from small to great. So you're going to look for the smallest number, write it in the first block, cross it out. Then look for the next number, write it down, cross it out. So the top row is for your big to small and the bottom one from small to big. Activity 6 is place value. Draw the correct number of beads on the poles. 34. So remember, it's like you did yesterday. 30 will be 10, 20, 30. So it's 3 beads. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll write 4 beads. Okay. Count the beads and write down the number. So you're going to count these beads that they put on for you. So the first one, remember the tens, you count in tens. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40. And the ones is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your number is 45. Okay. Activity 7, estimate and count. So it's again first count on 120, 121, 122 and so on. And then again estimate how many objects there are. Then make groups of 2, 5 and 10 and count them. Okay, so you're first going to guess. Let's say you guess 30 and you write down by I estimate 30. I count. If you look nicely at the pictures, you can see that they group them already in groups of 5. So you just group in groups of 5 and then you count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So you see we guessed very close. So by I count, you're going to write 35. Then you do the same with the cupcakes. Activity 8, place value. Draw the correct number of beads on the poles. So it's the same like you did in activity 6. Then break down the numbers into tens and ones. You know how to do that also. 45, so you'll write 40 and 5. Count the beads and write down the number, again like you did in activity 6. Write the answers in the blocks and break down the numbers into tens and ones. Okay, so the answer that you got from counting the beads that you wrote in the row above, write those numbers in the blocks and then you're going to break them up. So the first group of beads were 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 67. So in the block at the bottom, you're going to write 67. And 67 is 60 and 7. Okay. Then the last one, activity 9, halving and doubling. Halve the numbers. Remember to halve a number, you count in twos. So count in twos until you get to 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So the half of 12 is 6. Then double the numbers. Remember when you double the number, you add that same number 2 times. So 15 plus 15 is 10 plus 10 is 20. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 20 plus 10 is 30. So the answer for the double of 15 is 30. Then you're going to, complete the number patterns. So you're going to see in what they are counting and you complete the pattern. And then you're going to complete the radial sums. Radial sums are sums in a circle. So the number in the middle is 10 plus. So you must say 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 55 is 65. 10 plus 40 is 50. Okay, and then that's all for today. Teacher will explain more activities to you tomorrow. Okay, love you. Bye.